Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Yo, Ghana, tell them figure well them Ghana. Ghana, tell them figure well them Ghana. Kudos to Kudus. Viewers and subscribers, welcome to Linefoot TV. I don't know, I represent the African color. See? Yes. Shake them off. Cut and clear, have no fear. You them now see in despair. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, this vlog I don't know, it's a short and spicy one. Ghana, well done to Ghana, 3-2. What a game. South Korea fell short. I'm not telling you, Ghana, we beat them to a blank block clot. Yeah, my viewers and subscribers, big up everybody. Big up all of my friends, families and fans on the channel. Now if you're new to the channel, welcome, make yourself comfortable at home. Zine, yes, Ghana, overseas. South Korea Republic 3-2 and Union Kudus to him, man of the match. Zine Thomas Party in the middle, Arsenal player, made a couple mispass, but yeah, but yo, we are forward back, we are pay the bills. Prince and Genius family butchers, and them are like the place, you see it? Yeah man, it's a black-owned butchers providing you the best quality meat. Them have cow foot, smoked turkey, tripe, cow skin, goat foot, goat belly, liver, kidney, lamb foot, chicken wings, pork, mutton chops, lamb cutlets, lamb neck, oxtail, beef, chicken foot, roasted chicken and broiler chicken. Man, tell us when you don't cook that is finger licking. Yeah man, you know you can find them at 151 Rye Lane, Peckham, SE1540L, shop number 07752172928, Prince number 09138361183. I don't know, in the shop you can get your bun and your cheese and your cheese crunches, your tough crackers, everything will come from Jamaica. Your yam and banana, you see me I say your pumpkin, your breadfruit, your mango, you see me I say your juice, them and your box drinks, them, everything you want there, them and Jamaica style. See, Prince and Family Butchers, go check them out, without a doubt. Yes man, you don't know, this vlog is sponsored by, I don't know, Prince and Genius Butchers, Family Butchers. See? Rye Lane, check them out. Yeah man, it's a Jamaican business. See? We need to start supporting one another. Butchers, everything proper and clean and fresh. You know what I mean? You see also have your Jamaican food, you can get them the yam banana, the cheese chicks, cheese crunches, cheesies, the roots, everything from Jamaica there. You see what I say? Yes, no, football. Boy, earlier on, Cameroon drew 3-3 with, I don't know, Serbia. Good game, Mitrovic's team. You see? Very tough game. 3-3, I think that was a fair result. And the African team are evolving. They are getting better and better as years goes on. And, you know, yes, we need Jamaica to step up the rank as well. But we need a good coach in Jamaica. We're going to touch upon that topic there next time. See? We need a good, strong coach because Jamaica mentality, the big ball of them there, but if you don't pick them want to beat the coach, bad up the coach, threaten the coach, and them sitting on the coach after run. We see time and time. So we need a good, strong coach mentally. You know what I mean? Yes, I just know say, yo, film rules are film rules. See? Now Ghana, the World Cup, I tell you, the World Cup a step up. Second phase of each round now. One game left for each team to play, and then we're going into knockout stages. But Ghana, hey Ghana, go on soon in the comment section, alright now. See? Yeah man, big up Ghana, big up Ghana, big up yourself, you know. I don't know. The whole Kasawawa. So me I say, big up Ghana, Accra, Zine. So it was a good performance from both teams. I think South Korea came back 2-2, to drew 2-2. I mean, I tell you, I'm actually glad because, you know, African team, we have to support them. No matter which one of them, I put a Cameroon, Ghana, you know, even the Saudi Arabia. Yeah man, Saudi Arabia team good, you know. Good, them just want to be more clinical in front of goal. Them play proper football, man, Saudi Arabia. Yeah, but Ghana, I tell us Ghana tell the South Korea to go all in Ghana. You see me, my viewers and subscribers? Yeah, what I tell us that. It's a good look for Ghana, man. Good look for Ghana. See? Yeah, man, we also going to talk about the crime rate in Jamaica right now. How it diminished, gone down. You see me, I say lower since the World Cup. You go to me and say, yeah, man, so, yeah, man, pick up, man, we say stop the crime, man. Yes, man, so well done to Ghana and their win, you know. 3-2 win against South Korea. I wish them all the best. in the rest of them last game and hopefully them can make it to the second round. Zin? Yes, man. African colours. So as I say, red, green and gold never control. You see me? Kudus kick the ball now in South Korea goal. Yes. So now my viewers and subscribers, we see that the crime rate has reduced. Zin dry up in Jamaica in 7 years, let me say. Sports. That is to show you how sport orientated the people them are. You know, the people them in Jamaica, we love sports, we love activities, sporting activities, netball, football, basketball, and the youth them too, you know, the youth them just get caught up in a crime. Some of them idle now have nothing to do, so we have to, you think is the World Cup cause it? You think the World Cup is the reason why crime rate has reduced? I think so, because everybody at home watch World Cup, you know. Them have them favorite player, the Messi, the Ronaldo, you know what I mean, the Ronaldo, they have from France, you get what I say? Yeah man, you see me? Mbappe, you know, and they're favorite players, because you have what star players? Zine, you have the Ryan Sterling, you get what I say? Foden, you know, so I think that as the World Cup are the reason why the crime rate has demoralized down, you know. And it's a good sign. That is sure say the government now need to put to perspective and go to the table with his team and the MP them of the constituency them and say, here what? We see the World Cup has brought down the crime rate in Jamaica, you know, so we need to come together to the drawing board and let's bring back some leagues in the country. The minor league, the major league, the minor league and the President Cup, you know. Girls football. Let's try build up some girls league now, because we see the female them start play football now. We can't lift out the female them. We say equality, see? Bring in some more sporting activities, some leagues, and try to help steer the youth away from crime. And the youth them have to play a part as also. The youth them have bus gun have a part to play also by stop the crime, stop fighting against one another and bust the gun on one another. Think before you act, I know you have sense. See, I know me the man of peace. See, I know you have sense. The man of me have bust the gun them. I know you have sense. And you no one dead, or you no one go to prison. Well, some of you no care, I don't mind if you no dead or go to prison. See? But do the right thing, stop the crime, man. Stop the crime. Do the right thing and stop the crime, man. I love to see, it's a good news that we see the crime rate has dropped, you know? The crime has dropped and the gang went out to go on and the police them kind of ease off, you know? Because pressurizing for the police them too, you know? It's hard work for the police them too, so it's a good look, man. I just beg the youth them to stop the crime as normal, see? And live in love and go and watch some World Cup. Who do you think are going to win the World Cup? Yeah? Who do you think are going to win the World Cup? Boy, Brazil look good so far. Spain held to a draw. Germany hanging on their life. They get a draw from Spain last night. And but let me know who you think are going to win the World Cup still. I think Brazil and Spain final, you know? That I say still. You see, if they don't draw them one another, with a Brazil-Spain final. You never know. There might be an upset. There's so much upset going on. You see me? You see Belgium lose to Morocco. You get to me and say, you see, and I say the African team them are doing well. I'm proud of them. You see me? So, big up Ghana. And let me know what you think in the comment section, my viewers and subscribe. Big up Ghana. Tell South Korea go hold them Ghana. A peace and love, but big up South Korea, see you. You don't know a Lion Foot with another vlog. I already do it when I boss now, and I'm out. Big up on yourself.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.